When you're determining whether you want to bring something into the shop or you want to have a mobile repair done, depending on how large the job is, you want to start out with a large job that takes more than 2 to 3 visits. Will generally be more effective to take into the shop if you're looking at cost. If it's a large piece of equipment, many times they'll go out a little bit more than that, depending on the extensiveness of the repair. But usually 2 to 3 visits out to the job site will more than pay for transportation costs to take it in. The other thing that can make a difference is how busy either the mobile side of a company is or how busy the shop side of the company is. So there are times the shop may have space and get something turned around very quickly. There might be times that the field has space and can have it turned around really quickly. So it depends where there's space, what your desire for transportation is, or if cost is your motivation. So you need to measure those 3 things to decide whether to call someone out mobily or to take it into a shop.